Its miracle sniffing rosemary can improve memory by 75%. The numerous medicinal benefits of the rosemary have been used for centuries, and the traditional medicine regarded this herb as the most effective one on the treatment of memory issues. Due to its relation to improved memory, Greek students have put this herb on their heads during exams, and there is also a reference to this herb and its amazing power to boost memory in Hamlet as well. One study examined the effects of rosemary and participants were given rosemary essential oil every day. What researchers found was incredible. They had 60 to 75% higher chances of remembering things in comparison to those who did not use the essential oil. Research has shown that this herb also contains carnosic acid, which destroys the toxins which damage the brain. Also, it has natural compounds which provide protein to the brain, thus supporting its decision-making abilities. This amazing natural herb helps to break down acetylcholine, which induces cells which are responsible for memory. Scientists have shown that certain chemical compounds in rosemary affect our memory, and the most effective one that boosts it is cineol. Therefore, the better you absorb 1.8 cineol, the better your memory will be. The best way to absorb it is through sniffing through the nose. The results of people who use the benefits of rosemary before doing some task are far better, and rosemary also reduces stress, prevents mood swings, and enhances your speed and accuracy in tests. However, even though numerous studies have confirmed the positive effects of rosemary on memory, more research is needed to prove that it will improve memory. Yet, natural remedies have numerous advantages, and one of them is the fact that they do not cause side effects like commercial medications, so you can freely try them out.